I went from an idea to a fully deployed website within less than 10 minutes. No coding, no template, and no boilerplate. And the result, right in front of you, a fully functional website which was created purely using AI. So if you have a website idea in your mind, follow along. Now the tool that we'll be using is Replit. This lets you design and create any sort of apps and websites. So first off, let's start off by creating an account. I'm going to use my Google account to create this account. You have to then choose your username and enter in your name. Next, select what you are using Replit for and then continue with the free plan. In this plan, you'll get limited credits. You can publish up to 1 application and create up to 3. So let's get started. Alright, here you have 2 options. First of all, that is the app and the design. Right now, we are going to be using the application instead of design. And then all you have to do is describe your idea. Basically, a short description of the designing, the style that you want, what all components or pages do you need in your website, which is what I've done right here. I've asked it to create a modern plant shop website with hero elements, headline, CTA, plant categories, get photos, location, contact details, etc. Now you have 2 options right here, which is build and plan, which is available for the paid subscribers. This would give you a brief plan before building and this would start building immediately. So we'll be using the build option. Apart from that, you can add in files for design references, or maybe you can add in your products in file format so it can be used in your website directly. Let's say you have a catalog, you can upload that along with this and then mention it over here that I've attached the catalog, use the product images and product description from that, which would make it easier for you to use this platform. So as of now, I don't have any reference images or product images to add, so I'm going to skip that, but if you can add it, you're free to do so. Next is the option to choose what sort of app do you want to create. Right now it's on web app. You can choose from these options if you are a core member, like mobile application, 3D game, automation, etc. We'll stick with web application, and also if you don't have any idea about what you want to create, you can scroll down and find some inspirations right here. All you have to do is hover over it, click on this use this idea button and get started with it. Now let's create our application by clicking on the start button, which opens up this workspace where we'll later be able to see the preview of the application that is just made. So let's wait. Okay, so here we have our website ready to use. Let me open this in another page by clicking on this new tab button, and here we have it. It has a beautiful header section and a button. Let me try that. Okay, that's working. We are taken to the product page. It has beautiful footer, but there are some issues with the products because these images are not loading. If I click on this product, it opens up a product page as well, which is interesting that it has created an in-depth website instead of just a template type of thing. Let's try to add this to cart. I want 4 of them, add to cart, so I get this little notification. Next, we even have an about page and basically the address, working hours and contact details. And in our home page, we have new arrivals and shop by category. So apart from this issues with loading the image, everything works perfectly. So let's try to ask it to fix this issue. So here's what I'm using, the prompt, and I'm going to send this. And if you're wondering how can you track your daily credit limit, so you have this loader on the top of your chat and you can track your daily agent credit limits here. So check this out. The image issue is now being fixed. We can see all the product images as well as on our home page all the category images. Isn't that great? Now back to our Replit, you can see that next to our preview we have a database. Here you can check out all 3 different tables that have been made, which are categories, messages and products. Here there are all the information about our products stored into these database. Well, this was a simple website, but it did create database. So if you're creating one for your product, you'll have a functioning storage as well. Now, apart from this, you have this option to edit your website. Like you have this edit button right here. Simply click on that. And now you can use your browser to edit from this preview right here. Simply hover over the section that you want to change. Like, let's say we want to change this little pills under our description. So if you click on that, it will open up this setting right here. Now, this has options like changing text, font color, font size, weight, appearance, etc. So the changes will be visual, which is what we are looking for right now. So I'm going to change the background color of this pills. So this is the color I chose, and just like that you can change all the different elements if they are not to your liking. Once you do that, click on save changes, and then the agent will work on saving those changes, making it permanent in your website. Now, all that's left to do is to deploy and publish this website, for which you'll have to use this publish button right here, where it will create a primary URL for you, which will be followed by replit.app, because obviously it's a free public website, so it will have the website's name as a watermark, and also you'll be seeing made using Replit badge in your website, like this one right here. And to actually remove this, you'll have to get a premium subscription. So now all we have to do is click on the publish button. If you want, you can adjust settings like the deployment type, which is by default auto scalable. So if your website is getting more traffic, then it will be able to handle that as well. Next, there is some coding stuff which you don't need to worry about unless you understand that. So let's go ahead, publish this. It will go through all these processes until it's finished, and it will give us published URL in the end. Okay, so it is published, and this is the link that we got. And check this out. This is the deployed application, and it's working just fine. Now, if you want to check your analytics, you can go over this tab right here, which will show you different information about your website. Apart from that, you can check out logs, if there are any errors, etc. And if you want to make the website private again, you can go ahead, pause this, shut it down whenever you please. So that was basically how you can generate your own website within 10 minutes using Replit AI. All you have to do is give a clear prompt on how you want your website to be, add in a few reference images if you like, or you can simply give on information about your products which can be added to your website. Iterate through the whole building process and you have a fully functional website. So comment down what sort of website are you going to create using Replit AI.